Hi, my name is Sarah Mark, certified and registered yoga teacher. Today I'm going to be sharing with you the tips and tricks that I use to get my yoga mat to lie flat. The easiest one is to just take your yoga mat and put it in the sun for 5 minutes, laying flat. It heats up the yoga mat and allows it to lay flat. The other thing that I do, if I don't have access to the sun, I just take a blow dryer, I point it at the area where the crease is, not too close, and then I blow dry it until it's no longer there. I try to be in an area that's well ventilated because I'm not sure how good it is for you when you heat up yoga mats. Those are the two things that I think work the best. Another thing that I've tried is putting books on top, which will work, but it takes a lot longer and I don't feel that it works as well. You could also place your yoga mat in a warmer room. You could simply allow your yoga mat to be flat for a couple days, that'll help. I do roll my yoga mat a different way than most and it leaves a crease right in the middle of my mat, which isn't a problem when I'm practicing on a regular basis. But if I leave my yoga mat somewhere for a month rolled up, it tends to put a little crease right in the middle. It doesn't bother me, but if I want to get rid of it for a photo thing or something, that's what I do. The reason this is happening more is because more and more yoga mats are being made without chemical phthalates, and phthalates are what the industry uses to allow yoga mats to lie flat and be more pliable. I hope these tips and tricks are useful to you.